of you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. Today's review is going to be courtesy of Sensational. This wig is going to be from their Lace Collection, and it's going to be DEYLA. I don't even know why they named this that when Storm was just right there. This wig is platinum blonde, perfect for the holidays. Okay, so let's get right into it. She comes with 2 combs, an elastic band, and your traditional adjustable straps with 1 comb in the back that's going to pull out all your nape. As soon as I put this wig on, instantly activated. You hear me? I don't be watching the Marvel, the DC, the comics. I don't be doing none of that stuff. But just know I got the voodoo for you bitches. Okay? Know that. And if you need me to turn your man into a goat by tonight, let me know tomorrow. Thank you. Quick little side note. Do you see how much this lace is plucked? I did not put a tweezer to this bitch at all. I don't know what they doing over in the lab of Sensational, but when they say pre-plucked, baby, just know it's coming like Scout. She is long, she is synthetic. You already know you need to have that brush in your pocketbook, have it at your side, stick it to your back. This parting space, do you see how that bitch opened up like the Red Sea? That looks so seamless. It's crazy. I keep telling you about a glue stick. Get a glue stick. Get off of Amazon. Get it by tomorrow. Get it by tonight. Overnight it. Because you're going to need it for that big, bulky, synthetic wig you wearing like a hat on your head. I'm trying to be nice about it. I'm trying to be nice. But I'm tired of seeing it. So do something. Real quick tip for my girls that love to do middle parts. To make the part look that much more smooth, because when you turn to the side, sometimes it looks like you hiding a Hennessy bottle up underneath the wig. So you part out a section at the back of the middle part, and you take your hot comb and you flatten that hole. All right now. Ever since I learned how to cut hair, I am unstoppable. You hear me? Especially without the heat. Nobody could tell me anything. Nobody could really tell me anything. I don't know if you're ever going to see a wig in an original state again, because cutting hair on a synthetic wig is unmatched. It's almost like that bitch comes alive. Watch this. Just watch. You see that? Do you see that? This is exactly why they need to send them funds, and Sensational ain't even send none. But I digress. Now, this little trick you see me doing here, I saw it on TikTok. I just want to try it out on synthetic hair. That bitch ain't worth a damn. So don't do what I do. Trial and error. And I do it so you don't have to waste your time doing it. But we still end up getting the look that we desired. And when it comes to melting, there ain't no competition, because I'm bigger, badder. I'm a bad mama jamma. Even in pajamas. Okay, do you see that natural hairline? Why would I paste colored hair that already don't look like my hair on my forehead to make it look realistic? Come on, I need y'all to stick with me here. I need y'all to have a little bit of sense. Do not do that. I look like a doll. Baby, I know I look like a doll, but you cannot play with me. You cannot, because I really do this shit. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. For 2025, we collecting them checks, we doing them deposits, we making that money on. Okay, continue to stay beautiful, stay blessed, I'm stressed no less. If you like this wig, you can go ahead and copy it from any website that you purchase synthetic wigs from. You can even get it from Amazon, girl. It is out now. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah, love you, bye. See you in my next one.
Will I see you at the show tonight?